Jesus.
There's no way.
You hear this?
Yeah. Must have been like 8, 9 revolutions.
Getting ready. We're going out tomorrow again. You think we got enough tools this time?
Yeah, we have to this time. I do not feel like getting stuck up there. I do not care what you say.
We have to stop by the house too and get some more. Yeah, because this is the box that doesn't have the right size socket that we need.
The box at home. This
We'll
time
grab
let's
that.
take it with us. Like I said last time, let's take it with us.
Oh yeah, here, watch. The fridge, I had a couple people ask about it. It's from ARB. Still haven't used it, but man, it just comes out like that. Look at this. It's clean. It's got a, you gotta still hook this up to the phone, but the whole thing is just hardwired in. You just literally plug it in from that. I kept taking it out because it was scraping on this side and I was trying to get rid of as much weight as possible, but that whole problem's fixed now. Let's hope we don't break anything tomorrow.
I like how it just sits there so perfectly.
Yeah, no, it won't move.
Yeah, this is budget nothing.
What sucks though is the whole spare tire, whole undercarriage, all that stuff here. Can't use it.
You act like you're gonna put that spare tire back on.
Spare tire doesn't even go here. It goes here.
He acts like he's gonna put a spare tire. How long? For the tire to go down all the way? Not bad.
Doing a little extra.
Put it down more?
Yeah, just because I don't think these are all set. See how this one had that little red thing in it, so I don't know if it ever got set.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, one day we're gonna actually have to test these. But for now,
If Adrian quits acting like he has a job, maybe we could be out here more often.
always playing, right?
Always playing games, like he's cutting some shit up.
You upset you got fired on your day off. That's what was really going on here.
I got fired on my day. Actually.
Who's the best salesman on the team?
Best salesman got fired. They said I was popping too much. So I left. I told them four-wheeling's my life. They got mad at me. I said, I want to go four-wheeling every week, at least 3 times. He said, I don't know if I could hire you again.
Yep.
So yeah, pretty much he told me four-wheeling or work.
And now you're unemployed.
Now I'm unemployed. 4x4 Crocs.
What's going on?
Front calipers are loose again.
The other side, yeah?
The other side. I think when I said I went through everything, I lied.
This is the right size?
Yeah.
Good thing we got a mechanic here.
Jesus.
There's no way.
You hear this?
Yeah. Must have been like 8, 9 revolutions. Oh my gosh.
Jesus.
That's what she said.
I hope that's what she said. Okay. Everything else is different sizes.
What do you mean?
They're different sizes and they're tight as fuck.
Yeah, no, they're tight.
Okay. Well, glad you caught that one, Carp. Made up for the last one you didn't believe me on.
This one was tight?
Yeah. See, everybody needs these 4x4 Crocs.
See, if you're actually 4x4ing, you're going to have some loose bolts.
Yeah. This is us actually 4x4.
You should have loose bolts. I don't know if you're 4x4.
Well, what if the bolts get loose and you're on the road like this?
That means your car's trash.
Trash, right? Trash.
I don't know what to say.
100,000 down the toilet.
We can still go with the Yodas.
Oh yeah, we gotta roll with the Yodas.
Who's the Yoda?
I have no idea. I didn't even know it was a thing.
Don't be disrespectful. We're not rolling with no Yoda.
You should take that shit back.
Oh my God, we dropped the hubcap. What is it, Toyota?
Yeah. Oh hell no.
It does say to.
That's too funny. Adrian, move out the way.